Good morning. So today is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to do my makeup for my mukbang. I'm taking my multivitamins. These are the Vitafusion Complete Multivitamins for women. So this is how it looks. So you just take 2 of those. Y'all don't be laughing at me because I like to take gummies, okay? Then take a daily probiotic gummy, and this is Digestive Advantage. This is how they look. So I'm gonna take that. Take 2 of these. They're really good, but they do have sugar crystals. Then I take some apple cider vinegar gummies. And this is how they look. Take 2 of those. And that's it. So I've already put my foundation on. I primed my eyelids, and then at the last minute I was like, well, let me go ahead and vlog, because y'all know I've been playing in my makeup lately and I think I've been getting pretty good. So I'm gonna use the name of this palette is Pre-Up. I bought this palette from Amazon, but it has some really nice colors. So it's not like a high-end palette or anything, but I really like the colors. I'm gonna use my little double-sided Anastasia brush. And this is so things like I'm a makeup guru on period. On Periano. I'm gonna take this color right here. Zap it in now. It's gonna be my transition color, or I might just, I don't know, because I want to go for like a little Tony up, messing up my makeup tutorial. I want to go for like a natural look today. Tony told me he liked how I've been doing like the different colors and stuff on with my eyeshadow, because y'all know before I would just wear like some eyeliner and my lashes, and that's pretty much all I would wear. And then I just like recently started wearing eyeshadow just to try something different. So I've been liking it. It's been fun. Y'all can't really see it, but when I'm done I'll get y'all a little close up. But I'm getting ready to do a mukbang, so put a little bit more because I can't really see it at the top. But I'm getting ready to do a king crab mukbang. It's gonna be so good. I haven't did king crab in a while, so that's what I'm getting ready to do. Y'all, and today is Tuesday, so today is probably the last day that we'll have a peaceful day, because I think the storm is supposed to hit tomorrow, later on tonight or tomorrow. So hopefully we'll have power. I'm not sure if a vlog will go up or not on Thursday. I have my tea, by the way, sorry. Hi honey, good morning. I'm vlogging.
What's up, vlog? I just woke up.
But your daddy went to the store if you're looking for him. Oh, okay. Good morning. Good morning. But yeah, tomorrow will be, or today will be the last day before the storm comes. So we're just doing our last minute stuff with that. I know y'all can't really see it, but listen, I'm not a makeup artist, okay? I just want to come talk to y'all, that's all. But that look alright. This is how the brush looks, y'all, the little double-ended brush. It comes in all the Anastasia palettes. So I'm just putting this little nude color. And I don't know the name of the colors because this palette, like I said, it's not like a high-end palette. I ordered this palette from Amazon a while ago because it reminded me of the colors that's in the Morphe palette, and y'all know I stay on Amazon, and I saw it on there, so I was like, well, they look pretty, let me just try it and see if it works. And the colors work, they show up pretty good, so I was happy about that. So yeah, we're just gonna do like this nice little nude look. I'm just gonna use two colors. So I used which colors? I used this color here, and then I used this color right here. And then I'm just gonna put a nice little eyeliner on, like I always do. I cannot go without my eyeliner, so I have to have like a nice little wing liner. Sometimes I'll go without putting a wing on the end, but I have to have like some kind of wing liner. This is just my Morphe 505 brush that I'm blending my eyeshadow in with. Y'all probably won't be able to see me do my wing liner because I have to stand up and I have on my robe, and that's it. So I don't want nothing to pop loose. I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows. Where's my eyebrow pencil? I like to use the Maybelline eyebrow pencil, and I get it in velvet black. I've been using this pencil forever, and what I like to do is just line what I already have and just fill it in. So I do have eyebrows. Some people think that I don't, but I do. I really don't see how these girls can do their makeup like this, but I figured I'll just show y'all because, like I said, a lot of people always ask, like, can you show me? I'm like, girl, I don't know what I'm doing half the time, so don't judge me. But I don't like to use the brow gel just because I've been using this eyebrow pencil for so long. My mom used this pencil, and so I just use it too. I cannot use the little like 99-cent hair store pencils because to me it looks like a crayon on your face. So I can't use that. I have to use that pencil because it just looks better to me. And then I'm using this thing is so old, my matte concealer, and this is in the color NC50, I think, because it's so old I can't even see the color. But this thing lasts me for like a year because I only use it for my eyebrows. And I lost the top. Like this. And then I do the top. And right now it's looking a little food, but it'll come together, y'all, trust me. It will come together. cannot do this on camera. Alright. Where's my, okay. And this is just my Sonia Kashuk angle eyeliner brush, which is like one of my favorites. And they are not cheap. Like you would think because they sell them like in Target and stuff that they would be cheap. Girl, no. I showed y'all the last brushes that I bought, and I think I spent like $92 on, how many brushes did I get? 3 or 4 brushes. But I like the way they work. I really like this angle brush because for me this is the most important brush because I always have to have my eyebrows. My eyebrows have to look good. And the angle brushes, these are the only angle brushes that I could use. Just because they're so nice and thin, like I love that. So, gets my eyebrows together. And I just go back in and just outline the part that I always use my little spoolie just to kind of get rid of the harsh line in the front so it doesn't look too boxy. So you can use like the tip of your finger to wipe away that line to where you get something like this. Okay y'all, and here is my makeup. So I think it turned out pretty. And then I just put my hair back in this ponytail, which I need to do it over because it's not tight enough. I just wanted to see if this was the style that I wanted to wear today. So I think I will wear my hair in this ponytail and put on some hoops. I like having my hoops on with my ponytail, sis. So I think I'll wear these. I only have 2 pair. So I'll wear these today. Now I need to go, well, my ponytail's coming down because like I said, it wasn't tight enough. But now I'm getting ready to go ahead and cook my seafood. I might vlog that, maybe not, because I've done that like so many times on here. But I want to go ahead and get that over with, and then when I'm done with that, I'll just chill for the rest of the day, watch the news, and yeah, that's all I'll be doing today. So see y'all later. Okay y'all, so I'm getting ready to make my drink. I'm drinking out of the pineapple today. So Tony went to the store and picked this pineapple out for me. So we're going to use this pineapple cutter. We bought this from Walmart. I don't really know how to use it, so Tony's going to do it for me. He said he don't really like this one, but you use this to create the hole in the middle. Yeah, but that's what I'm doing today. I'm doing a pretty little pineapple drink. Have little pineapple rings. Here is my drink. I didn't really have time to show you guys how to make it, but y'all know I got y'all on a later video. Don't even worry about it. Really simple to make, so I'm just bringing it over here. Ugh. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you. So today we are just doing some king crabs and corn. For today's drink, I'm just doing a little pineapple. Hey y'all, so I'm doing a sheet mask. As you can see, I'm doing this tea tree sheet mask. I picked this up from TJ Maxx. It came with like 4 or 5 different ones in the pack. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I want to get all my batteries and everything charged up just in case we lose power during the storm tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will try to stay connected with you guys on Instagram and Snapchat. Hopefully I'll be able to post a vlog on Thursday. If I don't post a vlog on Thursday, then that means we don't have any power. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Love y'all.